this clamp, now it has a handle and it twists through like any other clamp does. But the difference is this tip. Now this comes off. And we'll take a close look at this. It actually has a hole going through it. It's kind of like a wedge. And it's threaded on this end, and there's the hole going through it. Now, I'm not totally sure exactly what this would have been used for, so I need a little help identifying it. And this tightens on, and there's a nut to lock it on. There is a patent applied for on the other side. I believe it's GEM. Could be CEM, but it's GEM. But I have never seen anything like this before. So, if you know anything about it, let me know, because I'm kind of interested. And on this face here, it does not look like there's any kind of a wear on it or like it's been used a lot, and it is completely flat.